This is the original shotgun outdoors, the original shotgun. All the others are imposters. I'm out here at the range in a hidden location in Lake County. Okay, we got the old bear whitetail bow out, and I took a few warm-up shots. Not quite sure how warmed up I am, but I did the 20. Now I'm out at the 30, so we're gonna try the 30. I'll shoot a couple shots down there, and we'll see what we got. Okay. Getting stuck on myself. That one was a flyer. I knew I had to aim a little bit higher with the heavier arrow, and that one went flying. I guess I went too high. So, let me try to readjust here. Shooting with a bum shoulder too, so, you getting me? You got me? I'm seeing you looking the other way. Alright, my beautiful camera lady. Alright, yeah, I'm shooting with a bum shoulder. It makes it kind of hard to be consistent, because I'm getting some pain. We're going to try. I don't think I want you all to see that one. We're going to cut that one off. Cut that one off.